Hi my lovely viewers, this is Alawai Tuber learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you basic configuration to enter and set up host name Cisco router. So for this case we will go to the Cisco packet tracer. Here I have opened it before for the practice. Now I will check the routers. This is the router section, lots of things. So I will take the first one. So let's do here. I will check the two routers. So here, see the things we will configure. That's why we'll go to the CLI mode. See. So would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? So first of all, we do not need to do this. That's why we'll write only the no and we'll press the enter. See, and press return to get the start. So enter. See, this is the router option. So what we will do, we will do the enable. So first of all, we will just click the en and then press the tab. See, the whole things, the whole words has been revealed in this way. Now you press the enter. See, this is the things, and we'll get the enter the router. That's why it's revealed the hash mode. And we will do the how many mode in this Cisco configuration router, Cisco routers. We will get the another video. That's why I will skip this here. So now I will click, I will create the host name. So first of all, we will enter the router. So how to enter it this way, and I will configure. So that's for this case. I will write the config, and I just press the tab. See, when I just press the COGNG, it will not reveal because that is the error and or spelling mistake. And when I just give the right spelling, just I will write the few letters and the thing has been here. Now the terminal, see here. Now see, also what, this is the configuration mode. That's why the router and first bracket inside has been written configuration. Now I will do the host name. So how, I just write the host name, see, and router 1. See, here we can see easily here the name has been changed R1. So in this way we can set up the thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.